na Outsparing Show and a VTFM. Vito Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, Ekamila Gaikachi.
And a very warm welcome to all our listeners, all our friends. Yes. This morning, we say Andra and Bulbrak, welcome to Outsparing Show.
Hey, well, good morning to each and everyone who is being a fever this morning about the rugby last week, and to all of you who going back to Vanuatu and where you come from for watching the game last week. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Likewise to each and everyone tuning in inside the bus, listeners in this morning coming to work. Thank you very much for not telling your soul, your spirit, to stay home today, because your boss will get angry. It's just Monday, you miss work.
Don't we say to all our friends tuning in from overseas this morning, to all the neck workers, ningole tu kata-kata na matake de dai ni ari matapinaka, bikin ningole tu bullying and education, garibaka bunuai, nangan back na be sebur-bur ni ari matapinaka. Ari matake bikin na linga be garabi na be kaban security. Na base to ni taxi, lo man base na carrier taxi, na minivan, bikin na pass India, bikin na pakatawale bolinga, maru taxi na sergi ni bully, bikin na ngasini bully. Nangoni bulia nanga unongo maruta kichura nganga vir lubian den mata sauche singo waruai maruta kichura bita kan bikim ni kanda na taka boleh be hotel ni bulang sarvanua mana ya sa pakara
bayi bula bayi kakaya John Kumar from Barabel Road my Singatoka. Bye, thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Likewise to Met Gernger Tambua, Lori Matangal Lambuke, Ngol Mena Moski Suva, but maybe be check out the main below.
Rombula Vinaka, Rombula Nakwa.
Mel available from Brisbane. Thank you very much for tuning in. Tamay Sita Leokere. Ampul na katong Queensland, Australia. Baru tunggu lagi Sandina.
Right.
Asapanya Kala Suli.
Naso pa may tonga.
Arabinaka kay Lupe Kaitani. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Maraming thank Jim. Hey, good morning.
Good morning to all the bus drivers, all the taxi drivers, all the public transporters. Not forgetting all the companies, all the personal car, for being part of this morning. Pasana Lambole and everybody. Nasopa from Tonga, good morning, and also to all the family members of the Fijian community around the world join this morning.
Okay, untuk program nama tadi ko na biya lagalak nga. Atau na sebat sunga na bi kambule tua politika dan ngonongo. Bikin na kanda, bikin na ngoni buli, sampai bikin ni sangat ronga tapi bina kana Outsparing Show. Nama tadi ko balatan di bingung na takas kina buli. So bikin ni sa sombu, so bikin ni sa tolo. Sen di ronga na balis na dua na nomodi. Sen di ronga na Outsparing Show. Okay, ko di seleksi na buli na ngonongo dem sekarang. Adult elephants can jump.
Mobabi titaka?
Siya nata buna.
Adult elephant can jump because of the heavy that can the heaviness of the elephant. The foot can hold the heaviness of him while jumping.
Right.
Just walk.
Because it's a huge animal.
It's a huge animal. He is a heavy animal in the planet.
Okay, dongo. Ikipro sambo kila ni tukun talangan ni renda talangan nakalavo.
Go nakalabi na kanyo ko.
Reds laugh when they are tickled.
Iyo. They laugh. They laugh when they tickle. Go na nga narandong gitora kinana when they are doing the game of the CBCB Rawe. Sa CBCB Rawe, komen kasi may mongay baka koni
Pikir papalalay.
Iya. Pero do da kabayo ersin da kaw nalingan ra. Nambuin ra. The heaviest animal is a blue whale.
So it's true the kalabo too.
Yeah, they tickle.
Okay.
Sometimes when they tickle, when they meet on the corner of the house. Naisema say naisani bale. When they doing the
Right. Okay.
That sound coming.
Okay, all right. Dolphins sleep with one eye open.
Yes, because they see when we grow up.
They see the...
Yeah, they see, they close one eyes, they open one eyes. The reason why, because of the pressure of the water.
Oi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dolphin, when you see the dolphin, the dolphin don't go deeper right to the bottom of the water
Yeah.
in the deep sea. They have a level of alive.
Oi.
Where the sun reach,
Yeah.
the 30 meter from the sea level,
Yeah.
going down, there where the sun can reach.
Right.
Napunua. And there is, after that, dolphin, not the dolphin, the whales.
Yeah.
The whales. They alive there. Underneath, going right down. No, can't.
Oi.
Because of the pressure of the sea.
Octopus have 3 hearts.
Because they have 8 fingers. 8 fingers divided by 3 equals. Because they don't have much body,
Yeah.
they only have a head and a finger.
The finger.
So that's why because they use.
Yeah.
Because if you use one heart
Yeah.
in 8 fingers, 8 hand,
Yeah.
you can, the
pressure too.
heart can take the pressure
Yeah.
of the finger, of the hands.
Okay, snails. A snail has up to 14,000 teeth.
Huh?
A snail has up to 14,000 teeth.
For the 40,000.
Yeah.
Yara tu ibu, because we never wish like that to centipede. Yes, we can see, eh?
Yeah.
Or we like that to the bat or the larger animal.
Yeah.
Or the smaller animal.
Yeah.
But this one snail,
Yeah.
we didn't see the teeth.
Yeah.
We see the shell.
Yeah, the question is,
Yeah, only we see the footstep.
yeah.
But where is your teeth, snail? We didn't see you biting the leaves.
Yeah.
And lots of teeth.
Yeah. Where did come from?
Dogs are the most popular pet on the planet.
Yes.
Mai talota kada buna.
The dog.
Yeah.
Popular pet because their sense of braining,
Yeah.
they are close to human being.
Cha.
That's why you teach dog,
Yeah.
they know what to do. They know responsibility.
Right.
They are our close friend.
Right.
Sometimes we see them, we whack them
Why?
because of some of us we hate pet
Yeah.
because maybe they rubbish everywhere.
Ah.
But
Yeah.
remember this,
Yeah.
they our close friend.
Don't know
We need them
Yeah.
when we are far away.
Yeah.
They stay in our home. They
Right.
look after our home.
Yeah.
Dog noses are at least 40,000, say 40 times more sensitive than ours.
Right. That's true. That's
Yeah.
why we use them during hunter.
Yeah.
Ah.
They are close friend to the pig.
Yeah.
Some dog, when you take them to the forest,
Yeah.
they don't
Hospital.
want when they go take them to the forest for hunting, they don't want to bite wild pig.
Well, pig, yeah.
But you have to teach them.
Yeah.
Teach them how to
Behave.
behave.
Yeah.
That's a food. Run.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
So whenever you pass a dog,
Yeah.
you'll see this because of the nose, eh?
No.
That's
Shucks,
why
yeah.
that's why you don't throw at them.
Yeah.
Because when they take your breath, nakimimboy,
Yeah.
nangorstara your breath,
Yeah.
he will still remember the rest of his life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though you come back after years, he or she will back at you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you raise him up,
Yeah.
yes, he will know you.
Right.
That's
right.
why when you pass by,
Yeah.
every dog you pass, he will come at the back and smell.
Right. Right. Klik klik, eh?
Iyo.
Yeah.
Don't you get a connection siya?
Connection of
One
the
now.
nose to the
One
brain.
now. Okay. Sharks are older than trees.
Huh?
Sharks are older than trees. Well,
Yeah.
sharks have existed for around 400 million years.
Sandino.
Yes, some shark.
Yeah.
Shark, there are different type of shark.
Yeah.
Some is geulwai,
Right.
the flat head
Yeah.
Yeah.
and far wide.
Hema.
The eyes on the side. Hammer shark, tiger shark,
Right.
megalodon.
Right.
Megalodon, the people say that extinct.
Marge.
Yeah.
No more.
That's the biggest shark ever in the world and the dangerous shark.
Yeah.
They can swallow a boat.
Oi.
It's very big. But
Yeah.
different sack.
Yeah.
Have different kind of living
Yeah.
in this. That's why, because trees depend on the natural nature. Some they passed away through the weather. Some they passed away because of men
Yeah.
cutting them. It's like that.
Dinasar. Okay, dolphins have names for each other.
When you see dolphin,
Yeah.
you see the group. There are different type of group of dolphin. They call each other.
Yeah.
When you see they play, they use water at their back. They jump. They are different kind of dolphin. Some dolphin they help one another.
Yeah.
Some dolphin they can bite too.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Different.
All right, last one we can turn out on. Snakes smell with their tongues. What's it?
Rosiningau. Good morning.
Right.
When you see the snake,
Yeah. Tahu tak man na feature ni snake.
snake
Yeah.
don't have a leg, don't have a hand,
Iya.
don't have a backbone. He moving through his body. Stomach, melak tungas, tasis to mentolo.
Right.
He never walk straight. He moving right, left, right, left.
Right.
Some snake, they use their head to go down. Some, like cobra,
Yeah.
they're going up. They are very heavy. Their main weapon is their tail.
Right.
Oh.
Tail is like their leg. They make them run faster.
Oi.
They like their hands too. They, ningone wabibingi ko kina na nangata.
Iya.
Their tail, they use it like their hand.
Yeah.
Their tongue, they see the tongue coming outside.
Yeah. They taste with their tongue.
They taste with their tongue. Before you see the snake eat something, they use their tongue
Iya.
to make the saliva pass through the body so that it can slippery.
Yeah.
Some they don't bite.
Yeah.
They don't bite. They
Yeah.
just put inside
Yeah.
and let it decay inside
Yeah.
the body.
So why is the snake's tongue like double like this?
When you see the double,
Yeah.
this mean no trespass.
Oi.
In the road, double line,
Yeah.
no pass.
Yeah.
If you see the double line, in the snake, the double tongue, there is no trespass. When you catch something,
Yeah.
no trespass. Kelas.
Asa kira-kira juga kira mungkin kira sama kira sa apa kita boleh kira sa kira-kira juga biar na to kining atau may na Amazon na Amazon river.
Iya.
Mereka teman-teman ya vida mereka may susti lolombu.
Si lolo bumelala bale. Me birita lolo na bale ya. Saya ngasarin itu para matanggalin ko. Kaya kila pinaka the story of the snake. Some people they raise snake. Some they are good snake.
Iya.
But we see the snake some not good, not bad.
Pinakagaling makambay ito nga po ni Mango.
Kuha.
Gagawin ito mo talep, we.
Bisa lala tu na bali lolombu sertu ya tu na betirani. Betul teman-teman na ngata.
Tuna nata. Tumata na baranda.
Karatong.
Iya.
Ingatan ng karatong ko karto duro.
Ya bentongan na kona
Ano pa lang ako orang duro maki.
bentongan black mamba ko kasio ko kangangasara. Bentongan na anaconda. Kaya itu tu kana kena cobra.
Ito kaya kita dalam sila ni Jamba si kayo ni may bunis niya. Binabalik Usara Punjas and Vinod Patel for the love this morning. Take it to the max.
Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Please just.
Isa, dem, sa tamaro na ngata.
Easily.
Roslingaw.
Kasi nga, hindi sarang gay kune. Bili niya sa misuni mua lutera lube. Mel na dalevu. Ilia bitang ilise. Sawani na itasir, hindi uliw. Kelere. Teenagers, kero sa taki teenagers na si Borway.
Oh, so matagali.
Iyo.
Ya reva.
So tayo wala, tuloy daw man na tano ah.
Gore.
Awang buta ni oso-oso. Amaniw, wala ni binabaliw
Ada na para matagali.
Iya, no, kaway may. Sapa si?
Iya.
Hey, teenagers, pula.
Mo mo tira may osar chuk na Matar tibiro ro me feno la mana sawara.
Iya,
Iya.
dito sara.
Arto ngon ele na tambo mati kirto ngon ele ni jaspai. Iya. Kemal na kanambilo ko tala kina sawara.
Kau orang anggo final mena Western Zone.
Dira sar. Sa.
Mungkin basa matak ka. Waktu mas magara pati kita main Napoli kita live.
Kaya na nakataat
Sandam-damu. Sandam-damu apa Italia na
Batman.
embakman. Bolto ni telebunot college.
Iya, telepono.
Ninggito tingo telebunot college sarada sarangan na pakara tuna kula ni Erges.
Iya. Sa. Ya to na gitu binakarto may pagkator na nonton ko nelo. Gitu mbula.
Meno na kokoloko na ngata.
loko-loko.
Loko-loko. Uy, loko-loko.
Seray ang bakaw, sa deta lang ako seray.
Eh, ano na maraman ita?
Verta rikin dong bula, kung may sabundon rolangin bola binaka. Tau sa mo dolo binalolo, taman ranga ta.
Boni na wakay ako,
Slita.
kuto na uchus ni pola.
Ah,
Kulo uchus ni squad.
ah.
Iya, na lubi max do na non to ubia. May nawaka.
Sadi.
Iya.
Dala kul rayawan, rombol nakwa. Kinto sa natabi kayo naman tabi na ni kuway?
Dono.
Kelemin di lamba.
Yan ra, yan naka.
O ni binaka nung binakaran kito sa tapa.
Naka.
Like taka siya taka